Here is how to get your Zui gas fee from Bybit. So you come to your assets. So from your assets, you are going to click on convert. So when you click on convert, you are going to select from USDT to Sui. So you're going to select the USDT. Then here, you're going to search for Sui. Then one last thing here, you're going to search for unified trading. So that's why we have the money. Then you click on maximum. You can see the maximum here. So this is the equivalent we are receiving because it's just only $2. Then you click on quote. You confirm. So we transfer the Zui from unified trading to funding account so that we'll be able to transfer it to our OKS wallet. So you click on transfer. So when we click on transfer, you are going to select from unified trading to funding account. So after that, we select the coin, which is Zui. So then we select the amount, either maximum, then you scroll down, then you click on transfer. So now that the fund has been transferred, you click on withdraw so that we transfer to OKS wallet. So you click on withdraw. So from here, you select Zui that we are transferring. So then after that, we are going to go to our OKS wallet for us to copy our wallet or deposit address. So you come to your OKS wallet, click on receive. So from your receive at the top, just search for Zui. So the first one at the top, you can see the logo, you can see here. So you're going to tap on it. Then make sure you are sending to the correct wallet address. So you can see Zui. Then all you need to do is to click on copy, then proceed to Bybit to send it. So we go to our Bybit, then you click on your deposit. So from your deposit, then chain, which is network, you're going to click on Zui. You can see it's just a little charges they will deduct. Then here you enter the amount you want to, the amount of token you want to send or withdraw. Then when you are done, then you can now click on withdraw here. You get that. So in few minutes, less than 1 minute, your token will be deposited into your OKS wallet. So do well to subscribe to the channel, like our video if you want to be getting confirmed real update from us. See you next time for more exciting